Everybody, welcome to this YouTube video where we're going to be talking about how to make mechanical toy videos. As you can see, this one has over 126,000 likes, and there's this whole page dedicated to basically making these mechanical AI videos. He's got 72,000 followers, 574,000 likes. I'm going to show you guys how to make these videos and how quick, easy, and simple it actually is. It'll take you less than 5 minutes to make. The first step is you want to come over to ChatGPT, and when you're inside ChatGPT, you want to come and click on Explore GPTs. So when you're here, you want to come right here and search mechanical toy generator, and you want to click on this. Then click on start a chat. That's just going to open up this whole custom GPT that's specifically for this style. You're going to come next and click on start the generator. That's now going to start giving you 10 options to choose from, all different styles, so that you can choose the one that you like the most. So you've got 10 mechanical toy concepts. Let's say you go for number 5 as an example. You click on 5, and that's now going to give you 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt. So you want to read through this, make sure you're happy with how it looks, and then you want to come to the next step. Next, come back to Google and simply search at Flow, F-L-O-W. Click on flow.com. Once you click on flow.com, you want to come to the bottom and click on create with Flow. Once you click on that, you want to come and click on new project. Once you click on new project, you simply want to come to the bottom and choose these settings. So it's image. You want to choose 9x16 because it's short form content, and you want to do X4, so that's the number of output. Once you have all these settings done, image, 9x16, X4, 9x2, you want to come back to ChatGPT and you simply want to copy over the image 1 prompt, come back to ChatGPT come back to flow.com and paste it in and click enter. That's now going to start to generate 4 images for you, which is basically giving you 4 options. And now as you can see, it's given us 4 options, right? So you'll have the same 4 options. You just want to choose the one that you like the most. Any of these does not matter. Once you choose one, so let's say we go for this one, you're going to left click it and drag it down back into the prompt box as an ingredient. Come back to ChatGPT, choose the image 2 prompt, copy this, come back to Flow, and you want to paste that in and click enter. That's now going to give you 4 more options. But the way I want you to think about it is that it's going to take this image, which is going to be the opening scene, and now it's generating the next 4 images, which are going to be the ending scene. And there you go. As you can see, it's given us a couple of options here as well. So if I zoom in, it gives you these 3 to 4 options. The 4th one is still generating, but it basically gives you all these options, and you just want to choose the one that you like the most. It can be the first one, can be the second one, can be the third one, can be the 4th one. It does not matter. You choose the one that you like. So now, in order to turn this into a video, you come back to the prompt box, change it from image to video, frames, 9x16, 1x, and VO 3.1 Lite, which is going to only use 10 credits. So you can basically do it for free because flow.com gives you credits every single day for free. You want to drag the beginning image, which is this one, as a start frame. So you left click it, drag it down as a start frame. You want to choose one of these. So let's say we go for the 3rd one. You want to drag that down as an end frame. You want to come back to GPT, and now you want to copy the video prompt. You want to copy this, come back to Flow, paste this into the prompt box as well, and now click enter. That's now going to start to generate your video right here. And then you just wait a couple of seconds, and there you go. That's your final video. If you follow all the steps in this video, you should literally be able to create this viral AI style videos and be able to post them on social media and get millions of views. If you're someone that's really interested in learning AI content creation, make sure to check the link in my description. I've got the link to my AI Creators Academy, where we break down how to make a lot of different AI styles of video, and it's currently only $12. The price will be going up to $50. So if you're interested, make sure to check the link in my description.